Check. Okay, let's go. So, in today's episode, everyone is talking about Fed and all these kind of bits. I'm gonna show a few coins as well, and I will try to explain you where the market is going now and what we can expect within few days, and how we should kind of position ourselves. So, fasten your seatbelts and let's go. Hello everybody, please read that disclaimer. Everything I'm gonna say here is non-financial advice. This is only my opinion. So I'm not a broker, I'm not some sort of fund manager, nothing to do with anybody's money. It's only my money, and that's it. And you have to manage your money as well. So please pause that video, read this disclaimer, and if you agree, let's go. So today, let's just see where the Bitcoin is. For the moment, Bitcoin is going up a little bit, but I think it's gonna be another lower high. So it's gonna be something like this. But before it's gonna happen, let's just take a look at the wave section here. So I thought that we may go down at lower than 26, let's say here, about 25.5, but that was not our first level, remember? So now when we have achieved this point, we passed 27,000, we may go as long as 27.5, this C, and here it's gonna be big question mark. If we're gonna start going sideways here at around 27.5, okay, we may go for another wave up. However, if we're just going to do swing failure pattern here, so the price will just go like this, fake out, okay, this is probably A, B, C, and we're gonna continue going down, okay? We're gonna continue going down, okay? So that's the higher probability from this section. So the price came from this section, went here, and we're gonna go probably down. So we will see. As long as we are above 27, as long as we're above this level here, we have a quite good straight road going up. But however, RSI is here. That's why I think we're going to retest something, whether sideways or just retest that level. Okay. So for the moment, coins are looking nice. Look, these coins like Alice. Okay. Nice consolidation here. I think it may break out. Okay, and then we're gonna have some gains. Let's say Genso Kinshi, same sideways movement, and as Link have shown today that there was a nice sideways movement here, and bam, okay, bam. Look, nicely done. 424 Fibonacci resistance level. Bye bye. And I think now we may have short consolidation sideways. Remember, each time you will see strong move and sideways consolidation, there's a high chance that this is a wave 4 and we can go up. In bull market, that's gonna be like most of these coins gonna have something like this. So then you can kind of exit, regroup, put some leverage, whatever, and we can go forward. Let's say go IDEX. IDEX, the same pattern. It may, once it's gonna start breaking, it may go up. I'm gonna show you later on how to like observe this market, okay? DLSA, for example, today has a nice, it was a bottom plus retest plus divergence, and we have a nice kind of rally, but I think this rally will last long only to 8,500. And of course, zeros at the front, whatever, 0, 0, 0, 8,500, yeah? Because I don't think so there will be some big movement here. Maybe, I am in DLSA, so I'm lucky, but I'm only counting to that level, okay? Maybe 9,000, that's it, maybe 9,000, okay? Stos is trying to do something as well. Look, that's the entire consolidation. Maybe it's gonna go up. I will wait till this 30 EMA will be broken down by the RSA. Yeah? I don't know, at the moment, I'm not in Stos anymore. That's it, because it's not going anywhere. I try to do something with RADIX, and RADIX, like I was telling before, has a small consolidation, and boom, I thought the consolidation will be a little bit more, and it did this boom as well. So once RADIX will retest now 555, well, That's a chance because they're gonna have this Babylon upgrade. What else? Other coins like AI coins. Maybe I'm gonna show you this from a different level. Okay, from a different level. Let's go to news. Okay, we have a fear now. Fear. Now fear. Yesterday fear. Past week fear. Last month fear. That's good. That's September. Look, I don't look at the multi AnySwap, okay, because I think this is a scam. Like they scam people, so I don't think so. Let's goodbye. So look, in the last episode we saw how TRB was going to the moon. Yeah, we saw high fee was going from the kind of nice few days in a row going up, and now high fee is going down. Now TRB is going down. Remember, we have a 1 trillion of market cap. Okay, so imagine yourself we have a 1 trillion market cap. Out of this, let's say, I don't know, 600 or 500 is Bitcoin, and then we have whatever 300 is 200 is I think Ethereum, 100 is, let's say, our stable coins, so it's 9, okay, 0.9 trillion, and this 0.1 trillion are alts, okay, and NFTs. So that's very small. That's why if one coin is pumped to the max, capital is going to another coin. Okay, they are jumping from coin to coin. That's why if your coin is looking like this, or has a double bottom, or whatever near breakout pattern, okay, it may be selected by the capital and then it's going to be pumped. That's why I'm looking at these coins which they're going to have some sort of events here going in September, because that's a chance. It's like a lottery, but it's a chance, it's a chance. On AWACS, we can see a good few coins with the real world assets that they may be something in the next bull market. So Securitize, it is supporting tokenized digital assets, Spanish REITs, okay, that could be available on Avalanche. So you could be an owner, a fractional owner of some real estate, okay, REIT. Kanza, okay, working to build Web 3.0 applications, okay, especially in Africa. Few companies are Baki Finance also in Africa. You're focusing on Africa. That's, according to some specialists, Africa for the next, let's say, 10 years is going to be the place to go or to invest, because there's nothing there. It's very easy to pump that market, okay? So I don't know. I'm looking at these because they are at the very, very bottom. Nobody is actually investing now in real world assets, and that's why I'm looking. I'm looking for NSDX. They're gonna have a good event in this quarter. I mean, quarter 4, 2023. So I'm looking when they're gonna open the Nasdaq 2.0, and maybe then they're gonna be having another pump. Okay, it's only market cap is only 100K. So look, if this coin will go to capitalization of 1 million, like you are talking about 10x. You're gonna have 10x from this. So it's good to have this on some sort of radar, okay? And look, this is Nasdaq, okay? And I'm just gonna show you something. Nasdaq have a similar pattern now, similar pattern to this pattern, stages of mania, okay? Where we have a lower high and then we're gonna go down. So it's a very similar pattern. However, if you will take a look at this, what happened in 2018, it was very similar. Look here. Everything was going down, and everyone thought it's gonna go down to the very bottom, okay? But then we just bam. So I will hold on with this section, because as we know, Fed is at the top, okay? And they have to kind of save this market. They have to save this market. So. I don't think so. The economy will go so high. They have to lower down these interest rates. Usually, then the market was tanking. So I think it could be something like this, and the market will go down then. Okay. I think it's everyone is looking at this bear market. So I think it's better will be to pump that market, and then dump it because they're gonna be having an excuse to print more money. Something will be, I don't know. Something will show up, like this new events in India where 2 people died and some of them are sick, whatever, and now they lock down some area. It's the same thing as in China before. The same type of news, the same type of spreads, the same type of angles, the same type of camera, the same type of kind of people. It's the same thing. So there's a very similar pattern, if you know what I mean. Okay, Polygon. Polygon is going to replace Matic with the Pol. And I was talking about this a few times because the Polygon is going to Polygon 2.0 upgrade. They're going to create something called value chain, where the biggest change in value chain against the Arbitrum and Optimism is this, that Arbitrum and Optimism are using optimistic rollup. So it means that they are validating their transaction from L2 into Ethereum main chain, okay, sending data, okay, and transaction hash. And that's the big change here, because Polygon will have only transaction hash. However, data stays within Polygon chain. That's the big difference, because hash doesn't tell you what exactly has been confirmed, but it keeps the algorithm keeps the integrity between data and hash. That's going to be something big, because now the data is very, very crucial, you know. So I'm hoping the Matic will going to get some boost. Especially, I'm not investing in Matic myself, but I'm investing in the projects which are on Matic, okay? DEXs, like this NASDAQ token I was showing, okay? Because if Matic will going to get traction, or the entire ecosystem will get traction. People would like to invest in the ecosystem because it's going to be safe, secure, you know? Jim Cramer, this is interesting. Jim Cramer says that watch out, because market volatility is going on 20th of this month, because FOMC will going to have a meeting. So they're going to discuss what to do with the interest rates, yeah? And if Jim Cramer says something, it's usually, I think it's someone did the statistic, it's like 2%, 95%. It's something opposite. So something. So it's a volatility. I think there will be no volatility. So it means that Fed could start going sideways, and then the economy will start dripping down. Then we're gonna have some sort of black event, whatever that's gonna be, something like in 2020. Then the market will start going down, and then Fed will start helping, and then we're gonna have our big push up. And why? Because I saw few articles from China, okay? Everyone is writing about China, that the China is going down, it's bad, it's here, Evergrande, bankruptcies, whatever. And the last news was telling that the big investors in China are dumping their bags. So look, that's typical news for the plebs, for Fiat Marines, okay? People are just only for Fiat. When the market is at the bottom, these type of news are showing up frequently, and people are dumping, okay? Because it's nothing, it's gonna go, that's it. And then market goes up. That's another, my contrary theory, okay? That the market will rebound. So let's connect this what we know with Fed. If Fed will start helping, so it's lower than the interest rates, okay, within a month or two, okay? Then this Chinese something will also start pumping, and then we're gonna have our pump. So we're gonna probably have market dip, that's what I'm counting. And then we're gonna start building towards the bull market. It won't be a bull market yet after that, but it's gonna be going towards this. Look at the same thing. TikTok, fake Musk, crypto. You know these scams that you watch on YouTube, that Elon Musk is kind of, we create this phantom quantum platform and I'm investing, or like, this president of Ryanair, O'Leary, he's, I invested in this platform as well, and blah, 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 something different platform, yeah? That's a scam, like, and this also is on YouTube, also on Facebook, also everywhere, and they are only highlighting TikTok, okay? That is TikTok, or million users lost and so on. That's another kind of attack on China, like it's a propaganda. It's propaganda. Always look at the news and know that this is the effect, okay? Cause is different. They are not talking about cause. The cause you have to figure out from the text. That's why always remember cause and effect diagrams, okay, fishbones, Ishikawa diagrams, they are true kings of each analysis. I'm using this the most. Like I'm within that tools, Hoshin Kanri, Kaizen, and other stuff. I don't like Six Sigma myself. It's a long story, okay, long story. But watch out. This is a good analysis done. And that's what I'm thinking, that now newses are to scare everyone. You saw the fear, and the people are going to dump their bags, okay? And I am reminding you about the PHAVER. If you have a Swissborg, PHAVER is doing a launch, is going to be released on the seed pre-sale sale. only if you have a Swissborg account. Link to Swissborg account is below, and you will going to have better conditions than the VCs. Plus, the coins are held by the team for 3 years. You know, it's look. This is a new social platform. This is a new social platform. Let's take a look. I was showing this maybe a few weeks ago. Social platform which gonna be competing with Twitter and with Facebook, where Facebook and Twitter are Web 2.0. So PHAVER is Web 3.0. So you can own certain things. You can probably be buying and selling certain things. You can maybe invest certain things. Web 3.0 has a multiple choice of solutions. They already have an active platform. They already have people, posts, and I don't know, something. Look at the Friends Tech. It was incredible boom. So this is something like a way bigger than the Friends Tech. I don't know. This is something new, Web 3.0, where you own your data, you own your profile, and not like somebody else is, let's say, selling your data. Worth to see. Remember, you can open Swissborg and it's gonna open to on your platform. Okay. See you then. Have a nice day, and we're gonna wait for FOMC, and I hope the market will pump a little bit before FOMC, and then if it's lower high, well, we're still going to go down. See ya.